How to start a part-time business without affecting your salary. Alam mo, starting a part-time business can be a great way for you to test the waters kung talagang pang-negosyo ka o hindi. At while doing that, pero keep your job para just in case kung hindi siya mag-work, meron kang fallback. So right now, itong gagawin mo. Step 1, identify a business opportunity. Pero bago ka mag-identify ng business opportunity, consider your skills, interest, experience. Gamitin mo yan to your advantage. Huwag ka papasok sa isang negosyo na hindi mo alam. Number 2, conduct market research. Pag-aralan mo yung target market mo, kung ano demand nila para sa produkto mo at serbisyo mo. And then third, also, syempre, pag-aralan mo rin yung iyong competition. Ano ba ginagawa ng competition mo? Bakit ba sila pumapatok? Bakit ba sila sikat na sikat? And then after that, you develop a business plan. Syempre, kailangan mo ng financial projection, puhunan, marketing strategies, and operational, di ba, plans. And last but not the least, I suggest you balance your time. Be mindful on how you spend your time with your work, at the same time, your new business opportunity. Ito lang po ang payo ko po sa inyo. You cannot expect a full-time income with a part-time business. Kailangan po, dapat full-time din ang iyong commitment sa part-time business mo to earn a full-time income. Para mabadagdagan pa ang kaalaman nyo, lalo sa pagnanegosyo, kung lost pa kayo, nako, may good news po ako sa inyo. I wrote a book called My Negosyo Diary. Kari-release lang po ng last year on how you can start your own business from scratch. So kung kayo interesado, you can order this book na sa Yellow Basket na, and then once you order this book, nako, may good news pa ako. I will give you with another book called My Budget Diary. So what are you waiting for? Check it out at the Yellow Basket.